Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove AI snaps from Snapchat feed. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply have the Snapchat Plus subscription. So if you don't have one, then you can simply not possibly do it. But if you have a Snapchat Plus subscription, all you gotta do is open your Snapchat. So there you can simply find your AI right over there. So if you want to simply remove your AI snaps, all you gotta do is simply tap hold the My AI chat. So this will allow you to simply get different kind of notifications or like menu list. Simply go in chat and notification. After this, you need to choose to unpin conversation or clear your conversation from the chat feed and then confirm by tapping clear. So this will allow you to simply remove AI snaps from Snapchat feed. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.